actually almost there. Okay. Everybody know me here, Mercedes. I will introduce you part of our tradition and music and culture around here. In Dominican Republic, normally our national music is merengue. Merengue, it is a mix of the three different races. Remember, when Mr. Christopher Columbus came around, he brought Europeans. Then he introduced Africans, and he found here Taínos. Okay? From the Taínos, the first influence. Eleni, esta vaina se apaga. Se apaga. Okay, from Taíno, our influence in the music merengue. Before they use a fruit named calabaza or calabash. We're gonna see it today upstairs in the garden. And then from the calabash, they used to make the guira. But now in the century 21, we do it out of metal. And the guira has different song than before. So if you listen to the guira now, atiende a lo guira. Dale. Okay, this is the guira. Give it up for the guira. This is influence in our music from the Taínos, the first habitant in the island, the native in the island before Christopher Columbus arrived. Okay, the guira. Then, from the Africans, we have the drum, tambora. So that was the influence from the Africans in our music, merengue. But the tambora nowadays also sound different because again, we are in the century 21 and we have professional player like our tamborero over here. So, dale, a la tambora from Africa. Europe, especially from Germany, but the Spaniards, they adopted by the time of the colonization. But the one that we use here is from Germany originally. Okay, but then the Spanish used it in the music, okay, when they came around. Nowadays, it is part of our music merengue, okay? El acordeón suena así, dele.